And we should be live. Yes, we should be anyway. I'm sure there'll be some people tuning in a moment. Let's just have a look. How's it going, people? Hope you're well. Hope your Friday is doing well as well. And yeah, we're gonna be talking about all things markets. Give me a hello in the chat if you're here. Hope your Friday is going very, very, very well. Yeah, it's not the weekly vol. Mo unfortunately couldn't make it this week, and so today I thought you'll just have me, and we'll talk about markets. We'll talk about what's going on. Maybe we'll do some trading together live. We'll buy some options together, and yeah, have a bit of fun. Um, yeah, I think it'll be nice. I think it'll be nice. So, I mean, let's just start off by like having a look at like where we are overall. The market's been a little bit red. Maybe I need to share my screen. Bear with me a second, guys. Um, the market has been a little red recently. I mean, I think you can clearly see this here, right? Whoops. Let's have a look. Here we go. Okay, that should be a little bit clearer. Yeah, the market's been a little red to say the least. Um, we've seen Bitcoin go down a little, going from what's that, 120K or so, something around that, 120K, and now, uh, well, earlier today under 114 seems to the bulls seem to be working hard on this 4 hour candle, but yeah, it looks like that's where we are now. Everyone's been talking about this 112K level. Let's see where we go with that. I think here's like kind of where we are here. Let's have a look. So we did get yeah, we're getting some. Maybe I need to do a channel here, parallel channel. We're getting some wicks into this area, but I think generally we'll have to kind of see where we go from here. 112K, maybe this is it, but let's see. It's still a lot of the power I think at the moment in the market is with ETH, and I think like ETH has generally been very, very strong over the last couple of weeks as well. I think you can clearly see that here. We talked about it last week as well. ETH is doing well. But again, similarly, there is perhaps this area around 3,500, which is acting like a floor for now. Maybe if we zoom out, we can kind of see this a little more as well. If I do a trend line, we'll do a horizontal line here. You can see like, yeah, we're holding a little bit, and maybe this can bounce from here, but yeah, let's see. So ETH is generally pretty strong. Bitcoin, let's see what happens, of course, now that we're in this kind of area. And alts have been demolished. Oh, I mean, that's fair to say. Alts have been getting slapped up, wrecked. Sol was like $200 not even that long ago, and it's bleeding pretty bad. How down is Sol now? 20% down in 10 days. Wow. Wow. That is a little more than I actually thought. And if we look at hype as well, that is also down a fair amount from the highs. Let's have a look. From $49, down 23%. It's, yeah, back to $39. So yeah, down 20% too. And like back in that zone where we were trading for a long time before as well. So yeah, I think that this break here wasn't necessarily good. But yeah, let's see. I think now that it's kind of in the middle here, you got two options. Is this going to stop out here and kind of climb back up, or are we gonna go all the way down to the bottom of the range to $35? Let's wait and see. But yeah, this will be interesting. So yeah, I think that kind of covers a lot of what's happening in crypto right now. Just a bit of downturn, and I think we're seeing this in equity markets as well. The S&P 500 down 1.5% today. Um, Google, Amazon, everything, Meta, Coinbase down 15%. That's huge. Nvidia down a couple of percent too. I mean, if you zoom out, like this is just absolutely nothing. But yeah, red market overall everywhere today, pretty much. So yeah, uh, nothing really much more to report there, I guess. Um, let's pull up. Let's pull up IVX. All right, so I've created a portfolio here, and chucked a little bit in. We can kind of have a look, and maybe we can play around with some of these options. So on IVX we have four different assets. Of course, you can trade Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, and Hype, and we offer options on them, 0-day options specifically. And maybe I'm going to just zoom out a little bit so you can see me. I think the screen is too small here, isn't it? We need to make it bigger, don't we? Let's see. Better? Yeah, something like that? I think so. Uh, yeah, okay, that looks all right. Okay, so, yeah, in the middle there. Okay, sounds good. So yeah, we've got four different assets here, and I think one of the best things about trading these instruments is the leverage that you get with them. Uh, because these are 0-day options, we're getting some pretty insane leverage. You can see an in-the-money Bitcoin option paying, offering 100x leverage. And as you go more and more out the money, we're talking about 200x there, which is pretty insane actually. On the contrary, ETH leverage is a little bit lower. I think this is partially because the vol on ETH is or the IV on ETH is a little bit more pricey right now. Similar kind of case with Sol and Hype, where the IV is just a little bit more. So yeah, let's see kind of what we should do. Go on, guys. Tell me if you're watching. Pick an asset, and maybe we can play around with it and have some fun. Do you want to buy some puts? Do you want to buy some calls? Maybe we want to do some selling. I don't know. We can do anything really. Anything that we want. So, I mean, do you want to sell hype options here? I mean, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe not 30. Maybe not with a $39 strike. Maybe like if a $40 or $41 strike. Let's have a look at Sol. Hmm. Bitcoin. Bitcoin 116 might be pretty interesting. Uh, maybe you know what we need to buy. What are we talking about here? We need to buy. So I think that some ETH calls might be nice. If ETH goes back to 3,700, let's have a look. Is it gonna get there? Oh, it's tough. I mean, let's go and have a look at the on a closer chart instead and see. We got to go shorter time frame here. Hmm, 3,700. We got to buy some. We got to buy something that's gonna hit that mark. ETH, maybe. Let's have a look at Bitcoin instead. Maybe Bitcoin is a little better. Can Bitcoin get past 116? Hmm. Again, another tough one here. Another tough one. Let's see. I think actually it might be. I mean, I don't necessarily want to buy puts either. I don't think that they are going to go down. But I think we buy some calls. So I think we'll buy some ETH calls. I think ETH can pump back up again. So yeah, maybe we'll go with a couple of these. Yeah, we can buy $20 of this. I think. Let's go for it. Uh, do do. Right. Let's see what happens. I think this yeah, we'll see what ETH can do today. We can look at like the ETF inflows. Let's have a look. See what we can find here. If we look at ETF inflows, I mean, they've been like over the past couple of weeks like absolutely insane. The BlackRock ETF has been. I mean that's really the ETF that that everyone's been really caring about. I guess Fidelity has had some really good inflows, but apart from that, don't think the others have had as much interest just yet. But yeah, I think The last couple of days has been a little bit slower than what we've typically seen. Perhaps this is always, I think this is always a lagging indicator, so that can probably explain why. Maybe this is the time that things are going to change. So yeah, we'll wait and see. I think we will wait and see. It's interesting data. I mean, let's compare it to Bitcoin. We had outflows actually. Wow. Uh, coming from coming from Fidelity and from Arc. 90. That's quite a lot. 90 million. Wow, quite a lot. Let's have a look. Did my ETH option work? Let's have a look. Looks like ETH is actually in the last couple of minutes as well, like started to pick up again. I mean, uh up like $100 from basically the last half an hour. Not too shabby at all. Not too shabby at all. We'll look at some more data. We're gonna look at a lot of different data here. Let's see. Coin glass. Let's look at ETH. Wow, a lot of open interest right now for end of the year calls on ETH. 6,000. And if we look at like the volume over the last 24 hours, people are buying out of the money calls. Some buying really in the money calls as well. We're seeing a mixture, some puts, some calls, a mixture of a lot of things here. Um, Slightly more puts than calls though. All right, we're going to go to Velo data as well, and we'll look at ETH here. Open interest, slightly down. Funding has been generally flat, but what's this Deribit? Minus 19% funding. That's unusual. I think otherwise, generally, funding has been flat. Good volume day though. Yeah. Let's have a look here at the funding rates. Yeah, the funding rates seem pretty flat. I mean, for ETH. Let's see if there's anything else. Wow, look at the funding on ENA. That's really interesting. I wonder what it's like on Hyperliquid. Let's have a look. You see the usual culprits with the negative funding, Bear especially. But yeah, generally it looks like everything's got a lot of negative funding on alts. Not too bad. 25% annualized. Wow, even ETH has negative funding. Interesting. Pump still massively positive. Massively. 25% still. I mean, like compared to the rest. Fartcoin similarly positive. I've got some funding rate strategies myself going on right now. So yeah, good to see. Very good to see. Very good to see. Um, Let's have a look. Do, do, do. Okay. So we've got our option. It opened at a $62 contract price. So yeah, we'll keep monitoring the chart. This is the kind of 1 second chart. We can look at the trading view chart as well if we want, on the 1 minute, and see where this one goes. We want to see some pumps, man. I want to see some pumps. We need it to go to 3700. It's not difficult. Not difficult at all. I mean, it did it in the last half an hour. So let's see if we can be bullish on ETH. I think we can. I think we can be very, very bullish on ETH. Let's send it. Gonna share this as well. The high impact news that we have. MicroStrategy down 2%. I think a lot of tariffs coming into effect today as well. Yeah, some interesting stuff here. We have the usual job market news that we've been posting about, non-farm payroll and unemployment news and things like that. Similar to yesterday, we had PCE price index, employment cost index, unemployment claims. So yeah, we can use some of this data and trade these high leverage instruments with them, and you can have some fun with that as well for sure. Right. We should also look at like the altcoin market. So let's see if there's anything of interest today. Any major moves? Actually, it just looks like generally it's just been a very, very red day. I think gold is up. So gold is up a little bit. I mean, the only coins green today are things like Toncoin. I think Fartcoin is slightly up today. And otherwise, everything else is down, which is crazy. SPX is down 9%. Hype is down 9%. Pendle's down 9%. Pudgy Penguins is down. Sui is down. A lot of things down. I guess like some of the coins that have somehow survived are things like IP. Mm, let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, IP's kind of somewhat survived. It's definitely had a little bit of a deviation here, and so I think this one might be one that you can uh, probably enjoy on the way down, if it does go down, of course. I guess the other thing that's done okay, I guess, in the last 7 days or so is Pump, which I say okay. I mean, it's a little bit higher than where it was on the bottom, where it bottomed out about 2.2 bill, and now it's about 2.9 bill. So not bad for Pump at all. I think ENA has also been okay. I think this is another one that we talked about last week. ENA's, yeah, again holding up okay. It's, not losing hope just yet. I think if it fell below this level, then I think we would be talking about something different. But yeah, no. So far, it's holding okay. Let's see if it can get past this level. I think that will be kind of key. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out on ENA. That's a good one. And yeah, otherwise, I think that's generally it. I think everything else is down pretty much. Let's have a look at maybe some smaller alts and see if there's anything that catches my attention here. Oh, there was Zora, of course. Zora has been the one of the craziest ones that we've seen, going from, yeah. I think Zora did a 10x, right, this week. Which exchange do we use? Bybit? Yeah. Wow, look at that. It went up. Yeah, 10x. And since then has been coming down. Where does this one stop out at? Will be interesting to see. Maybe we need to keep an eye out on this level here. So yeah, that's an interesting one. Could be a good pair trade for some of you potentially. Let's see. And yeah, I think that one might be an interesting one. Yeah, otherwise I think things have generally been a bit in the red actually across the board. Um, yeah, nothing too exciting, nothing to get too happy about, I guess. For those of you who have been longing. Um, yeah, I think let's see where things go from here. I mean, personally, I'm kind of just keeping an eye out on ETH. Let's see if we hit that 3,500 mark. Um, I kind of would like to just not see that happen, and I'd like to just see a U-turn going back up. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm not sure that will happen. Bitcoin as well. It's in a place where things can definitely happen. Will it go down to 12K, or will it reverse from here and go up? We'll wait and see. But yeah, that's why I've got my call option here. I wanted some of you guys to tell me. I wanted some of you guys to tell me like what option you wanted me to buy. Next time we'll do that. Next time we'll you guys can dictate like what's going on. We'll put some money aside and let's have some fun with buying some of these options. Yeah, let's see. I mean, ether's going down right now, like literally the complete opposite of what I wanted. Complete opposite. I think I probably bought like the top here, didn't I? uh, but it's all fun. We're gonna we're gonna have some fun and see what happens. uh Right. I don't think there's anything else that I can update you guys on at the moment. So, oh, look at that green candle. Look at that green candle. Yes. We want to see more of this. Oh, yes. Look at it. Go, 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 go. More green candles, more green candles, more green candles. Yes, 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 yes. Maybe I should be drawing in green, and maybe we can let it pump. If I draw some green candles here, let it go. Oh yeah, look at that. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna try and I'm drawing some. I'm manifesting. I'm manifesting what's gonna happen. We're gonna get some. Oh, look at that. It's going. It's going. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let it rip. Let it rip. I mean, I'm still down on my position, but it's okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see where this one ends up. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to kind of update you on. A bit of a shorter episode this week, but I thought it'd be good to yap to you guys for a 20-30 minute episode. Um, yeah, let's see what happens to ETH. Come and trade on IVX. Go and have some fun. Go and provide some liquidity on IVLP, one of the best instruments right now. Paying, I believe, 120% APY at the moment based on the last 7 days fees. Pretty straightforward. Just simply enter in any USDT zero that you have, or UETH, UBC, USOL, or maybe you just have some hype. You want to deposit some hype? Definitely do so here. And when you do so, you'll get returned IVLP shares, and that IVLP can always be redeemed as well back into some of these different assets too. And you don't have to do anything; you just literally hold IVLP, and it'll automatically be compounding those fees, which you'll be able to claim directly from here. So I think, yeah, go and play around with IVLP. Definitely one of the more interesting instruments on HyperEVM as well. Don't forget that there is IVX points too, which I think some of you will enjoy. Yeah, go have fun with it. Go have fun with it. And it looks like my green candles are coming to an end there. uh red candle. Come on, come on, ETH, come on, ETH, send it, send it. Right, I'm gonna end the stream there. We'll definitely see you guys next time. We'll probably try and do some more fun streams like this where we can kind of trade alongside talking about markets. I think it's kind of fun. So